today I got this slime kit as a birthday gift. So, I get so confused on how it opens. So there are 3 flavors, mocha latte, and apparently slimy is the greatest of all time. So, under the sea, and then ice cream fluff. And it also comes with some little boxes of charms. So this is sprinkles. There is some stars and some little balls and some pom-poms. And then I think this is clay. I don't know, but let's just, I guess, remove the packaging and move the stuff to the side. I just got my desk all set up. Now, I don't know which one to do today. I feel like I'm gonna do Under the Sea because it looks the most addicting. So, you can also add charms to these slimes. Oh my goodness! It looks so stretchy. So we're gonna take it out. Oh my goodness. So, what I want today is stretchiness and softness and good ASMR. Guys, here's the slime. Under the Sea slime. I think it's scented. I don't really know. But let's add the charms now. What I was thinking for the charms is maybe like just the blue versions of these pearls. I have to be very careful. Okay, well, that was not hard at all. So we just need the blue and green tealish ones. So there's the green tealish ones. Gonna put those ones in that slime. And then here are the blue ones. So do not roll away. Okay. Anyways, I don't know if I should add the purples or is it just too much. I think it's too much. So I might set this aside right on the packaging, and I'll see you when I finished organizing this. Guys, I just finished the little ball charms. They're supposed to look like bubbles, and since they were like barely of the green and like blue ones, I may or may not have added some purple ones. As you can see, there's like a purple one right there. So yeah, the final test is, can it make a bubble? So I'm gonna do that. I'm just really bad at making bubbles, so oh my goodness, that's so cool. Whee! We're gonna put this slime away. Back into the carton you go. So, oh, I forgot this little container thing. I think this container is supposed to make sure it doesn't stick to this container. So, now next, I don't know what we should do. The ice cream fluff, I think it's like a butter slime or something, or the mocha latte. I think we should do the mocha latte. Wait. Oh my goodness, this literally smells like chocolate. I think it's a water slime, to be honest. For a water slime, I'm surprised at the stretchiness. I mean, it is a bit rippy, but it smells so good. It literally smells like chocolate. Now my entire hands are gonna smell like chocolate. Charms, I was thinking of maybe adding some sprinkles. So dump all the sprinkles in this. So we're gonna open the sprinkles. Be careful. Roll. Yeah, there we go. Gonna spread it all out just a bit. Fix the camera. Okay, perfect. Now, time to pour the sprinkles. All of it. Oh my goodness, it looks so colorful now. yeah, I think maybe we should put away just a bit for the ice cream, but yeah. I just added the little sprinkles. I just added a little bit so we could save some for the ice cream. Wait, instead of mocha latte, I feel like this really looks like melted chocolate or like melted dark chocolate bar or something. So yeah, now we're just gonna put it in. We just made a fart sound. Since it's a water sign, I think it has to make a fart sound. So let's get on with the final slime. Final slime is strawberries and cream. So just gonna open that. Okay. Oh my goodness. That literally feels so good. All these slimes are so good. Did you hear that ASMR? Let me quickly show you guys. Looks like from my eyes. And so I think it's really cute, to be honest. I don't really like the color, just make it a bit more lighter. Then it would be better, but it also kind of smells like, I think like strawberry and raspberry ice cream mixed together. But now let's see. Wait, no. What charms should we add? I think we should add pom-poms because it's like ice cream fluff. So I'll add some pink pom-poms. So these are what the pom-poms look like. So now we're gonna put them into the strawberry slime. So, oh my goodness. It makes the pom-poms so sticky. But I feel like it also makes like a nice texture. Like literally, it feels like I don't know. It looks like chewing gum, but it feels like the total opposite. So, and I also forgot to show the clay. So guys, I just got the clay open. So this is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks from the back. So it's really hard to take out, to be honest. But I'm gonna mix them anyway, so it's easier to take out. So I just got like one small chunk. It's turning into like a brownish, like mustardy color. So I just mixed like half of it. Like I got the chunk. So I don't know if this is like a pleasing color or anything. So after mixing for a while, it's speaking to me as caramel. So we're gonna get our latte, chocolate, whatever slime. And so since it's very watery, I think the clay will actually work. But I don't know. It's not really fully mixed, so here's the chocolate slime, as you guys remember. I'm gonna call it chocolate now. So now I'm gonna just put it in. It's just some like caramel or something. It feels good and bad at the same time. Oh my goodness. Definitely improved the thickness a little bit. But yeah, I have a problem. It's not closing, so I'm gonna have to remove some of the slime / clay so it can make more space for the caramel, chocolate, whatever. But overall, my favorite slime was the mocha one. I really liked it because when I added the clay, it really started to look like a real like coffee drink. So this one gets a 10 out of 10. This one, maybe you could do better. I think I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. This one, super sticky, but it's really good. So I'm gonna give this one a 6 out of 10. So, bye!